on there and showing people how to fix their microphone and also their loudspeaker ports, because nobody on YouTube has made a video like this, and I'm helping you guys out. So watch this, watch real carefully. Get you guys a little pin. Right now, if your speaker is totally not working, this is not going to work for you. But if it's muffled and very, very lightly dim, this is going to work for you. Probably 99% of the time. Word used, muffled or not very loud. Take a pin like this and just scrape very lightly. Keep scraping. It's hard for you guys to see this, but a light layer of film is coming off on there. This is usually caused by milk, pop, something that's going to just clog up your little mesh. If this still doesn't work for you, which it should work for you, take a pin and very lightly spin it in all these little mesh holes. And what you have is a little tiny, almost nano invisible mesh screen. And once you put a couple holes in there like that, it will come back to life on you. Also the same thing down here on your port. Usually these get clogged up, and this works on any phone. So just lightly scrape around in a little circular motion and pull out any little lint or dirt that you can get out. And the first time you do it, just go very lightly and go harder and harder, being that it's not working. But if it's working the first time, you're all set to go.